Hey guys, Manaki Senpai here and welcome to my devlog. This week's plan is this: add trees, add NPC, drink milk, respawn mechanism, watch Dani videos, do the damage, drink orange juice, do the inventory, make torch objects. This is my game Heilmwater. I'm currently working on it. It's a top down old school Zelda style game with slight elements of Metroidvania thrown around and MOBA style combat, that is League of Legends style combat. I'll work on the trees. So I already had this tree drawing I made a while ago, so I'm just editing it a bit to fit my game. So just adding details, scaling it a bit and saving it. Now I'll make the trunk, add the texture to it and save it. Alright, so I added trees in my game, but now I will add parallax to it and see how it looks. This might be a very dumb idea or this might be a very good idea, so let's see. Alright, so I added the parallax. This is the script. Just copy paste it and put your camera or main player in this cam object. The rest of the script will take care of everything else. So look at that parallax, man. Ooh yeah. Holy moly, that looks cool. Does it not? Ooh, that looks nice. Alright, so since I'm not doing the dialogue system, I'll just have to add an NPC. So instead of drawing a real NPC like a sensible person, since we already have Aaaaao in our scene, I might as well just yoink a Hornet's image and yeah, it's beta, who cares? The beta version. So yeah, we have a useless waifu and then we have a best waifu in our scene. So here's our Aaaaao, and now we will add Hornet in the scene. So we have our NPC now. This is so tough. If you're enjoying my videos so far, you might wanna subscribe to me. I'm so close to 100 subs, and you might as well join my Discord server. Alright, so next task is to drink milk. So let's drink milk. Hey guys, it's Manaki here and let's drink milk. We need to find a cow and bucket. Let's go to the storage area. This is my starter house, by the way. I'll show you how it looks from outside. Can I go down? Thank you. So here are my chests which are invisible. Wow, what a glitch. Where is not here. Nope, I guess I can just make one. I'll show you my house first. So that's what it looks like. Just a simple garden. This is the main central area. Yeah, that's the side view. Alright, let's find some cow so I can milk them. This is my despawn mechanism. Since Bedrock doesn't have a good despawn mechanism and I don't want my game to crash because of lag, so it automatically despawns things that are out of my radius. I followed a Silent Whisper tutorial on YouTube. Hey cow, give me your milk. Thank you. You see my mansion back then? Just a cinematic shot. So I'm about to drink milk. The legendary movement is right here. Oh my god, I'm drinking milk. You saw that? I was drinking milk. What an absolute legend. Yeah, let's go. Alright, so we drank milk. Now next is respawn mechanism. So Arcane is a tree human being. So I think a tree would be a good place to respawn Arcane. And I'll name it some special kind of tree that's related to Arcane species or something. So I'm just drawing tree. I mean, I already have the tree in the background. I'm just like editing, overlaying some colors, and we are done. So this is the respawn tree, and how the respawn will work is I will write the script similar to how I wrote the warp script. So just it will just get so for warp it just gets this object and teleports arc into its position. Similarly in respawn it will just grab the respawn's position and teleport arc in there. It's just simple as that. So I'll write the script when I actually make the death, which is here, which is like about now. So after I watch Dani, I'll make the damage system, and then I'll write the respawn script with the damage system. So let's do that. So now I'm going to do the damage and respawn system. So I'm gonna do that. Alright, so respawn system is now working. Damage taking is also working. So let's see. You can see the damage being taken, and I'll respawn at the tree. Although I'm like slightly off here, not sure why it would do that. Let's see. Grass. Yeah, it's there. So yeah, that's all for this video. Like, subscribe, join my Discord server, watch my devlogs. Bye bye.